I'm this close to just, I just want to throw it on the floor, bro. But I don't want to ruin you.
No, don't do that.
Right?
Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. It's 2025 and lots is happening this year. It's been an absolutely manic January. Lots going on. We've actually got a special guest in as well today at GM. So I'm going to get a quick hello to him. I'm going to show you what's been happening, what's going on basically, January and February, and also tell you about our little trip that we're going to Texas with the boys. So stay tuned and yeah, let me update you. Right guys, so we've got...
The man that needs no introduction.
Is it 0161?
But we're in the 0191 today.
0191 today though.
Yes, I mean, 0191's number one, in fact, one of the best garages in the UK. JM Imports. We're down there filming some content. And while I'm at it, announcing our event, pull up Saturday, the 26th of April. We're going to have some of the fastest UK cars on the street, on the track, there, on show. And Jürgen and the team are involved.
Yeah, and MSB has invited us and we're going to have a little trade stand, so I can't wait. So yeah.
It's going to be sick. If you've not already got a ticket, grab one now. Shoe White is still there like a teapot looking pretty.
Yeah, I'm just like, for you to do your thing, that's it.
Yeah. And yeah, man, I'm looking forward to it. I think you guys are going to come down and represent. You've got a strong following, a strong selection of cars, and it's going to be sick. Jürgen, listen, while I'm on the subject, bro, what the hell is this, bro?
That is my egg, my protein.
Bro, I'm this close to just, I just want to throw it on the floor, bro. But I don't want to ruin you.
No, don't do that.
Right, I've seen it all there. I just want to launch it,
So
bro.
why don't we just go out with the Lambo then now for a little bit, yeah?
Let's do it. I'm
Let's
ready when you are.
Right, see you later guys. Right guys, so going to give you a little update. What's been happening at GM. We've got this stunning Aventador SVJ at GM.
Step one, you gotta pick the drug. Step two.
Unreal machine. We've got twin turbo Hurricane, which we're going to take MSB out in, and then we've got Kyle skiving in the back. We've got Dale prepping this Audi S8 V10 5.2 litre, which is for sale. Kyle's not skiving, he's just showing a customer. So Caroline, look what's arrived. I'm going to flip this camera around. Caroline's new wheels, look at that. Ready for race season, gearbox has just been done. Hyper Coatings, big shout out to them who've just done this for us, custom job for Caroline. We've got an R34 all the way from Czechoslovakia, that's come for a build. We've got my 34 there waiting, John waiting, Gizmo 34, RX-7, Haggie's RX-7. Yeah man, we've got loads of cars. We've got my McLaren engine that I need to forge, which is in the back there. And basically, this is kind of it in this unit. I'm going to go and show you what is happening elsewhere. Games room's all done as well now up there, which is looking fantastic. We're going to go next door and catch up with Rendog and all the staff and see what they're up to. So I'm with Rendog. Rendog is busy doing...
Right.
What have you been up to?
Well, been up to lots lately, but basically we've been up to building a Porsche 911 Turbo S for a customer of ours. We built it back end of last year. Obviously bigger turbochargers being incorporated into the back of the car, so a lot of the pipeworks had to change. Kind of fabricated them a new titanium exhaust for it.
A Rendog titanium special exhaust.
Yeah, well, JV's running one now.
I'm running a Rendog titanium exhaust.
A few customers got one, so Paul's up there.
It's a lot involved, isn't it?
Yes,
it's not easy, is it?
No, it's not easy. Obviously, it's trying to design, fabricate, get it right, because what we're looking for is ultimate performance here. Yeah. So it's getting all of the power out of the engine, or getting it to breathe as best as it possibly can.
So what have you got on at the minute? So you've got that Porsche there. You've got, obviously this is an ongoing forever project and it's never getting finished. You've got that Impreza as well, which I'm going to quickly show you. So this is What are you doing to this Impreza here?
Right, customers supplied us a back box kit for his car, so we're doing a diffuser and fitting the back box what the customer supplied.
Right, so that's a job that you're currently undertaking.
Currently undertaking, yeah.
And then we've got Caroline's lovely R8 on trickle charge. It's just had a fully built box by our friends at AMS at USA. Ben's fitted it. Wheels have just been done, so they're getting put in. Roll cages in, and the new tillets are arriving soon, and then that car's ready for Caroline. So Rendog, I'm going to let you crack on.
No worries.
Top
Take
job
care.
as always.
Thank you.
Very much. Right, Chris is always on the dyno, just doing a little blog.
Yeah.
And obviously we've got MSB in today.
Yeah.
So we took him around, just showing him, giving everybody an update. What are you doing? You got
a few times. We've got Shay's M140i in for a power run. I believe he's just bought it and wants to find out if it's tuned. He's actually friends with Kyle in the workshop, so
cool.
He's booked in via Kyle.
So basically your dyno is just literally to give you people power figures.
Exactly that, yeah. See what power and torque it's making, and yeah, give them an
That's
answer if it's been tuned.
Also tuning as well, but obviously we do offer a service. If you want to find out how much power your car's got, give Chris a shout, Chris at JM Imports, jm-imports.co.uk, and he'll book you in and sort you out and tell you if your car's quick enough or fast enough or if it's got problems, correct?
Yeah, that's kind of the idea. Yeah, see if it's healthy.
Cool, right, I'm going to go into the main workshop now and let Chris crack on. We've got, just before I skip, Mark's RS6 Audi. It's just been in for a water pump, which Ben's fixed that as well. So yeah, let's head in the main workshop. So we've got James Chow's R34 GTR. He's had a new custom diff fitted. JDM Garage, not JDM Garage, sorry, Paul's place. It was Julian at Garage D, and Richard's been fitting this up as well. So that's in the process. We're also doing some repair work on his engines, his HKS engine, fixing his manifold and doing some other little mods. He's changing turbo and other various bits and pieces that he wants done. We've got Emil's car, which is got a fuel tank. Let me just go around the front. This car is nearly finished now. Kyle's been working really hard on this. This is literally nearly ready to fire up, so we cannot wait to fire this up. It's been a long project. It's nearly there. So Ryan's car, GTR, GM650, he's now going about 1300 horsepower. So the first job we've done on that car is to build the gearbox. You've probably seen it on our socials. So the gearbox is now built on this car. Matt B's done a good job on that, and then we're going to test it, make sure it's okay, and then we get it back in, take the engine out and do some upgrades. Los's car, race GTR. That's having some fixes done by Ben. It's got an oil leak, one of the lines has burst down the track last year, so we're getting that back ready for him. And I've just managed to catch Ben there. Ben, did you find the line that was broke?
I certainly did, at the oil cooler.
It sounds like something powerful in the dyno, like BMW. So yeah, are you excited for this month?
I am.
And next month?
Aye, yeah. Big month next month.
Yeah, I can't wait. What's happening next month then?
America, innit?
Yeah, oh, we'll take the camera as well?
Alright, we'll take the camera.
Right, we'll take the camera. Let's take the camera to America, the TX2K. Matty is working on 350Z. He's putting an engine in that, overheated, so he's fixing that. We've got Jasper's GTR. He has a broken shaft. Let me just show you if you can see it. Don't know if you can see it. I don't think you can see it. Let me just see if I can zoom in. You might pick it up there. So that's snapped. ETS shaft snap, so that's getting fixed. We've got another Lambo in for a twin turbo build that Kyle's doing from Border Competitions. That's going with a Boost Electric twin turbo kit. We've got Matt, GTR, top secret, had ETS issues, new customer to GM, so we're just checking the car over, fixing some issues in the gearbox, putting some new tyres, doing his alignment as well. It's a lovely looking car. That's it there. And let me go to the workshop now and see Matt. Right guys, I'm in the engine room. Matt's been working in here pretty much most of the year. Building engines, got lots of engines to do. So we're just going to show you what engines are here and what he's up to. So let me grab Matt. He's obviously doing a tremendous job keeping the room tidy. And yeah, let's grab Matt. Matt, you alright buddy?
You alright?
So what is it you're up to today and what have you been doing? I can see some nice shiny engines behind you.
So I've just finished VR38.
This one here?
Yeah. That one's rated to about 1600 horsepower now. It's got quite a good bit of stuff inside of that one, to be honest. And then I'm now on to Ross's engine.
Another GTR?
Yeah, another GTR. This is just the clean down process. So I've stripped it down. It had failed bottom end bearings. If you look, there is still bearing material in here. There. So what I've got to do now is clean everything off, all the gasket faces, and then this will go then into the parts washer. I'll clean all that off. And then I'm ready to put all the new bits that are on the bench.
Good, and obviously I can see that we've put a few certificates on the back of the wall. So they are just some of the multiple engines we can do. So we've got like McLaren V8, we've got V6 Nissan, we've got Lamborghini V10s, and we've got GTRs. We've got plenty of them as copies. I thought it would be a nice little touch just to give you an idea. You know, we're capable of building pretty much any platform engine, and obviously Matt is at the minute supervising these three engines, I believe.
Yep.
Yeah. So and then after this, I think Kyle's going to be doing a Cupra engine that's coming in next, and I think what's the next engine after that? We've got a McLaren as well coming in, an engine. So at the minute we've got V6.
Yeah.
Oh no,
Like
straight
straight
six, sorry,
six.
straight six, V6 and a V6, and I nearly buggered that up. Yeah, we both nearly did, didn't we?
Aye.
Right, so yeah, straight six, V6, and another V6. So Matt's built that 32, 35, and another 35 engine for us, and then I think he's going to be doing that project as well.
Yeah.
This one, customer's collecting it, so this is getting shipped out, and this one is we're going to fit it inside.
Yeah. And that's about it for that one. Like, there's not much else. It's getting brand new rods, pistons.
Yeah.
It's actually had a brand new crank as well because the crank was completely damaged. New timing kit. Pretty much
Perfect.
everything full build.
Yeah, spot on. Right, so I'm going to go back and sign off at the office, and hopefully you enjoy this video. We're not going to do as many as we used to do, but we're going to try and do at least 1 or 2 a week. We're just going to put it together in-house just to give you a bit of sort of updates of what we're up to, what the lads are up to. Any questions, just ask away. Thanks a lot, guys. Cheers. Guys, it's absolutely freezing up in Newcastle. So cold. I've been out with MSB in the car for his own video. But anyway, it's freezing. I want to see... I'm trying to find Haggy. Where's Haggy? See where he is. So, I don't know where... Oh, wait there. He's here. Haggy.
What?
So, 2025.
Yep.
The boys are excited. We've got Vegas coming. You've got a lot of special cars on the way. You've got Mines R34s,
Yeah.
you've got Alpinas, you've got M3. Right guys, so the battery cut out and I was with the main man Haggy.
That's it.
Haggy, I think we're talking about some of the imports you've been picking up. Red M3s,
We've already
Mines
been a good start
34.
as well. We've already got a lovely like R34, another Mines car as well, which is hard to find now. Takes a lot of time, but yeah, we've got that one. Also a nice Evo 2 as well, which you've probably seen. But yeah, we've got the Melbourne M3, which is now all done, ready for UK roads. I love that car, and it's going to be like obviously somebody who's probably a bit more mature, wants a nice car to sort of like retiring. Would you say, Jürgen?
Nah.
Yeah.
I just think
But
someone that wants a nice car,
That car, honestly,
you don't need to be mature.
I've driven a lot of these cars now, and that car drives phenomenal.
Can we
especially
define
if
mature? Because I'm not mature. Are you mature?
Oh well, borderline.
He's not. So just if you like a red M3, you don't need to be mature. You just need to get it, and that's it.
Also, Alpina, another rare car as well. So that'll be a good one for with somebody who's looking for that as well. It's a very well spec thing as well. So that'll be due soon as well.
Yeah, and I think on April we've got so many cars coming in April. 15 arriving, so it's going to be busy, innit?
Busy.
A lot of Passats coming as well, which Haggy loves. I love Passats. And then we're off to Texas, Haggy.
Yeah, Texas.
You're going to be talking to all the suppliers and
that's the one.
T1, EMS, Boost Logic, and then maybe a couple of new potential
which will be cool. Well,
business for you to liaise with.
Are we going to do a vlog over there, you think?
Guys, do you think we should do a vlog over there in Texas and take a camera? Maybe do like a mini series, day 1, day 2, day 3, day 4. Let us know in the comments, and if you want that done, Haggy has got a priority pass business lounge. He's a baller, so we're going to try and go in there with him. If you can get one in.
You've got as well.
Right guys, that is a video done for this week, and let's try and get this YouTube a bit more consistent this year as well. So, we're just going to vary it and give you some, just basically everything that we do if we can. So guys, see you in a couple of weeks. I think 2 weeks a video should be more than suitable for you guys to keep up to date.
Quick question. Is there a certain video you would like to see happen, whether it's cars, tech talk?
We can't do anything illegal, guys. We're a professional company, so we can't do drifting and donuts and things like that, or blowing cars up. That's just not what we're about.
Well, let us know. Please leave it in the comments as well.
Alright. And Haggy will sign you out.
Yeah. So, see you next time.